Hello, my name is Ryan Cronow, and the event that we are doing is called Sacking for Sacks, which the purpose of the event is to raise money for the school football program. Since this event is a fundraiser for the football program, we are inviting local vendors to sell their foods and drinks for those in attendance to purchase. Vendors will be required to pay the event a percentage of the final sales since we are showcasing and representing their local businesses that are in our community. We are also asking those who are in attendance to pay a small entry fee of $5. All of that money will go straight to the football program. We would greatly appreciate any donations. If you are unable to make the event, you can still donate to this program. You just have to send a check to the school and we will put it right into the school's football program. And if you are at the event, you can put your donation in the donation bin at the front gate. Sacking for Sacks will take place on Saturday, August 14th, 2022 from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. At this event, there will be a handful of races where our participants will include our football coaches and other school administrators. They will be racing in a sack race to represent a quarterback trying to get sacked by the defense. Those who win each heat will advance to the championship race, where we will crown one winner. There will also be a potato toss tournament for our faculty and coaches to compete in as well, for a chance to win some more prizes. The winner of the sack race tournament will win the Golden Sack Award. The winner will also receive a $50 gift certificate to the Burlap Sack Potato Eatery. The winner of the potato toss tournament will receive Toss Tuber Award and a $50 gift certificate to the Hot Potato House. Both gift certificates were donated by the local New York restaurants in our community. The overall goal of this event is to conduct a school community-based race to raise money to help enhance and continue our football program here at Sacktown High School. We are aiming to raise at least $2,000 for our football program by the end of the event, based on this school year's surveys and expected attendance of at least 100 people. Another goal of this event is to show support to our local businesses and get people more aware of the importance of helping local businesses in our community. We are excited to be able to put this event on for our community, and we are looking forward to everyone who plans on attending. We greatly appreciate all the support from our community to enhance all of our school programs here at Sacktown High School. Thank you.